Emotions. It can get to the best of us, and even the worst. Have you ever struggled with your emotions? Perhaps digestion, or even both. Whatever the situation is, there is always a solution. Find out the connection between the mind and digestion. Restoration Ministries would like to introduce to you our newest book entitled Healthy Digest 101. You will find testimonials and scientific insights on the connection between the mind and our gut. There's also bonus recipes that you will find that you can try at home, as well as recipes for the mind. Pre-order your copy today.